Oil just exploded above $100 a barrel. Trump is escalating tensions with Iran as usual, and markets are reacting fast. But here's the real question investors should be asking right now. Should you be scared or should you be investing? Because while the headlines are screaming chaos, history tells us something very different about what smart investors should be doing. So in today's very quick market update, I'm going to break down what's actually happening with Trump, Iran and oil, why market chaos is often the best time to invest, and exactly what I'm buying inside my tax-free ISA in 2026. Part 1, Trump, Iran and the oil shock. Tensions between President Trump and Iran have escalated again, and the impact on global oil markets has been immediate. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important energy choke points in the world, carries roughly 20% of global oil supply. And any disruption there sends shockwaves through the global economy. That's exactly what we're seeing at this moment in time. Yes, it's scary, but hopefully less so after this little video. Brent crude has surged past $100 per barrel, with recent spikes touching $114. And when oil jumps like this, it feeds directly into the real economy. Petrol and diesel go up, food prices follow, and inflation starts going up again. Europe and Asia are feeling the biggest impact right now because they rely heavily on imported energy. The United States is a bit more insulated because it's currently the world's largest oil producer, but global markets still react to the shock. Trump's administration is already talking about releasing more strategic petroleum reserves and pushing the idea of American energy dominance. But the truth is, when geopolitical tensions flare up like this, markets hate uncertainty. And that uncertainty is exactly what we're seeing priced into the markets right now. Part 2, why investors should stay calm. But here's the key thing I want investors to remember on this channel. This kind of chaos is normal. Markets have gone through this over and over again. Oil shocks, wars, financial crisis, pandemics, and every single time the long-term trend has remained the same. Markets go up, like the S&P 500 for example. Over decades, it's delivered powerful long-term returns, despite constant global drama. Global index funds make this even more powerful because they spread your investments across thousands of companies worldwide. You're not betting on one country, one company, you're investing in the entire global economy. And then there's Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $66,000 and as expected is behaving like digital gold. When governments print money or geopolitical tensions rise, assets with limited supply tend to attract attention. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins is exactly why many investors see it as a hedge against inflation and currency instability. But here's a real investing secret. Don't try to predict the chaos. Instead, invest consistently. Diversify across assets, dollar cost average every month, because historically, the people who panic, sell during volatility, are the ones who miss the biggest recoveries. Patient investors win every single time. If you want help with investing, type yes below and we can jump on a call. Part 3, my 2026 ISA strategy. So let me show you what I'm personally doing in 2026. I'm maxing out my stocks and shares ISA. For UK investors, this is one of the most powerful wealth building tools available. You can invest up to $20,000 per year, and every pound of growth inside the ISA is completely tax-free. No capital gains tax, no dividends tax, nothing. That's huge. And right now I'm focused on 2 companies I'm particularly bullish on. First is Bitmine. This is a serious crypto-focused business involved in Ethereum treasury management, mining infrastructure and staking services. With institutional adoption of crypto still growing globally, I see massive long-term upside in this space. The second is Tesla. Tesla isn't just a car company anymore, it's becoming a major player in AI, robotics and energy infrastructure. Autonomous driving technology, energy storage systems, and even the Optimus robot project could completely reshape how industries operate over the next decade. So for me, the strategy is simple. Crypto exposure plus AI exposure inside a tax-free ISA, and I'm adding money every single month, slowly, consistently, letting compounding do its job. Summary. So that's my quick market update for what it's worth. Yes, the headline looks scary. Yes, geopolitics is messy. It's brutal. But long-term investors know the game. Stay calm, stay invested, and focus on the future. I would love to hear from you. Are you investing through this volatility or waiting on the sidelines? And if you're just starting to invest, see below for the link for my latest 10-part playlist, all about simple investing.